Hey, Spiky. Get the wire. What? Staring at me. She's 24 years old now. Her left foot is shot. She's got arthritis. She can barely walk. She can't perch anymore. And her wing that she broke when she was 4 has a big, like, calloused bump on it. And she chews on that. And then I had to modify the cage like that to keep her on the floor. And she's got a little ladder. And I had to eliminate the whole cage because she can't stand on a branch anymore because she falls off because her left foot doesn't have the strength to hold her on there, and sometimes she lands upside down and she can't turn over. So now we've got to have a senior pet living environment for her.